What's going on, guys? Steve here at Shock Therapy. Let's go take a tour. First thing we're going to do is we walk through here. This is where all the magic happens. This is where all your suspension gets rebuilt or revalved. We have 4 people doing shocks at all times, and then we have 2 people off to the left side doing rebuilds. So if you break a shock, anything like that, it gets done right over here. Come on, follow me this way. Over here's our install department. This is where we do anywhere from 6 to 7 cars a day. All of our product gets installed. So anything we make, we install right here. If you look along all the walls right now, that's going to be all of our springs. We have hundreds of different variations of spring kits that we can do. And that's just basically a week's worth of springs that's around the facility. Come on this way. We're going to go over to our parts department right now. Everything we make is in-house. It's just off-site right down the street, but everything we make is in-house. So this is where all of our parts come after it has been anodized or powder coated. It comes here to get assembled. Right there we have Pro R or Turbo R tie rods and pin kit. Kind of a plethora of stuff here, whether it be chromoly or billet, but all along the wall is just a bunch of parts and everything that we have in overstock. But we have anything here from a race rack to a tie rod to a limit strap kit. Everything gets assembled right here, and then it gets packaged up and then shipped out. Over here is going to be more parts, spacers along all the walls. We got sway bars, packing machines. Everything gets done right over here. Packing machine right there. So once the packing machine is packed, it vacuum seals it into this right here, and then we cut it, and like I said, then it goes out to the shipping department. Let's go check that out. So what we do here at Shock Therapy is we work on suspension on off-road vehicles, and it could be anything from a KRX to a Polaris to a Pro R to a Can-Am, anything like that. It could also be like a newer style vehicle like an Expedition. So for like overlanding, a lot of guys put the tent on the top, so we have a nice tune for that, a spring kit for that as well. They do that also, a lot of guys are doing that on the Defenders and the new 1500. So we've got a lot of cool kits for that, for those Overlander guys. Over here is the shipping department. So anything that we make or anything that we sell gets shipped out right here. So whether it be shocks, springs, tie rods, whatever, it gets shipped up right here. We have some state-of-the-art foam machines that mixes up, and we go ahead and throw it in the box, and it makes sure that anything we ship out does not move. And it ensures you that you're going to have a nice, clean, and undamaged product. Let's check out the engraving room. So in here, all of our products that we make come in and get engraved with our logo or design, depending on what we have on it. Could be our name, could be our shocky, but it comes through here and gets engraved. Right there, we got a little cobot that does all the work for us so that it doesn't call out sick, and it's always here on time. So what it's doing right now is picking up a 2.5 to 3.0 spring divider. It's going to throw it into the lathe right there, and then it's going to adapt to that, and it's going to start engraving it. Over here in the install department, this is where we install a bunch of the shocks and all of our products. We work on a bunch of different brands of shocks. The main ones is going to be Walker Evans and Fox. We tune those specific to your riding styles and basically make it a custom kit for you. Thank you guys for coming. Hope you guys had a good time.